Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello there, everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. I hope you're staying safe, most of all. And guys, I hope you have some nice weather where you are. Finally, in my area, we got a break from rain. We have a beautiful day. And I hope you guys are experiencing the same thing. Guys, I am today co-hosting a collaboration. It's my first time. I was invited to do so by Miss Tammy of DIY, that's my channel, Miss Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Really glad to do it. I was honored that she reached out and asked me to co-host. Now, I'll tell you a little bit about the collaboration, the host channel, and all of that. So the collaboration it's a spring affair. The hashtag it's a spring affair 2020. And what we were supposed to do is use seasonal decor in our kitchen, bedroom, living room, den, or any space in our home that we chose. And also talk a little bit about our seasonal home decor choices. Now, the other rules, you have to be subscribed to both our channels. Again, that's Miss Tammy's channel is Me, Myself, and DIYing It. My channel is DIY Design by CCW, and my name is Candy, if you don't know that. Title your video, it's a Spring Affair 2020. You have to mention both our channels in your video and add links to your description, in your description box to our channels, along with a link to the playlist. Again, use that hashtag. It's a Spring Affair 2020 in your title or in your description box. Then add your video to the playlist. The upload date again was March 27th at noon Eastern Standard Time. And we were supposed to just have some spring refreshing fun. So guys, quickly I'll tell you about our channels, and then I'll kind of tell you what I did here, and maybe just put on some music, let you take a look around, and that'll be it for today. So guys, first, let me tell you about Tammy's channel. Tammy's channel is, again, Me, Myself, and DIYing It. She has a great channel, puts up a ton of content. And if you want to know more about doing revamps, DIYs, home decors, tablescapes, you definitely want to go over and show her some love and hit that notifications button. And if you're not aware, she is a member of Diva Dynasty, and those ladies collaborate together, and every 2 weeks they put out an invite for a tablescape collaboration. I love doing them. So if you don't know Tammy, you don't know the Diva Dynasty, please go, visit their channels and make sure that, and I know if you go to Miss Tammy's channel or mine, you're going to see all the tablescapes. It's Tablescape Sundays, the collaborations. And again, they're every other Sunday. My channel is, again, DIY Design by CCW. I started my channel to document my fixer-upper journey. A couple years ago, I purchased a completely dilapidated fixer-upper, and I've been painstakingly restoring it ever since. And then at some point, I morphed the channel into more home decor, DIYs, tablescapes. You'll see a ton of those. So again, I hope that you will, number one, like this video, comment, share, and also, if you haven't subscribed, please do that and hit the notifications bell. Now, I'll show you a little bit about what I did, give you a little backstory. Just 2 months ago, I did all of my color schemes here. I had red everywhere. I'd used red for about 10 years as my main accent color. I don't even know why. I mean, I don't know how it even started, because really red's not my favorite color. Blue is my favorite color. But somehow I ended up with red. And when I moved in here, I was focused on rehabbing and not so much the home decor. When I really looked around, I thought, time for this red to go. So I did recently do a complete refresh. So for this video, what I wanted to do in this collab is reintroduce some pops of color and some spring elements. So I'll start here with the coffee table, which you can see. And the coffee table, I just added in some pops of color. Now these candle holders here, they were already here. I picked them up in a haul a couple months ago, and that video is available if you'd like to watch it. And I just added some different candles. Instead, I think I had white candles. I've added yellow. I don't know if that shows up on camera, but these are yellow, the new candles on here. I added some color with this blue placemat layered on a tray, some blue Dollar Tree picks, some florals here. You may have seen these candle holders before. I picked them up at Ross a couple weeks back, and I really like them. But I added some yellow florals there, just again bring in the spring. And of course, you got to have your bunnies. Over here, I really didn't do much to this TV corner. I did add some little glittery Easter eggs and a decanter over there. Just really gave it a clean, gave it a real clean up, and didn't really change much. I think I may have added some blue potpourri down there, but you might not be able to see that in the video. Some other things I did is just really give everything a refresh. So these candle holders you see, and the pillar there, I gave everything a fresh coat of paint, you know, just to spruce it up, cleaned it up. This mirror that you see there, this mirror was dark brown and wasn't in bad shape, and I was about to replace it. And I thought, you know what, let me see if I can just spray paint it, revamp it, bring it back to life. And I did that. And I like it. It came out really pretty. Looks like a brand new mirror. And the space looks a lot brighter since I did that. Now on my end tables, what I did is, of course, clear away all the clutter. I had all kinds of stuff on there. And what I put back instead, you'll see I have a little candle holder in the back. And of course, this is C for candy. I added the same blue placemats that I have, placemat rather, that I have on the coffee table. And this is a little DIY floral that I did, and Dollar Tree picks. And that's really all that is. And that's my dad. You guys, excuse me, may have seen him in a video recently. I think it was the Go for Red Heart Health Challenge. I kept the same drapes, but what I did was clean them up, take them down, clean them up, and then add some blue shears. I don't know if the blue shows up on camera, but I did have cream or white shears at the window. For the couch, I just really took the pillows off, gave it a good cleaning, and added a blue throw. And I did have these pillows on the couch already, the white pillows. I just added the blue pillows to add a little pop of color. Now over here, I just changed out the pillow that I had in my basket and really just gave this area a cleanup. Now I had a different vase here, and I decided to add this vase, and I put some blue Dollar Tree picks in the vase. I had something else over there, and I like the way that looks. Over here, I just used a fresh throw. I had like a champagne colored throw there, and I decided to use the white. I didn't do anything over here as far as the what's on the walls. That stuff's all brand new, so there was just no need to change anything. I just recently added those. On this end table over here, again, did a thorough cleaning, took some of the stuff off that I had. I had all kinds of little knickknacks and things over here. I have a picture now there of my mom, a blue pick, and another blue placemat, again, tying in with what I have on the other tables. This is an identical centerpiece to, or rather arrangement to the one that I used on the other end table. And then there's a vase sitting back there, a little silver vase that has potpourri in it. And that's it. Down here, I had these candle operas sitting on, they were already there. I had them sitting on either side of this entryway table. And I really just gave them a fresh coat of paint and spruced them up. They were looking a little tired. I've had them a while. And there's one in the middle there that you can see that's underneath the table. Now, if you saw it yesterday, I put up a video. I participated in a collaboration with Tammy, and that's not Tammy of DIY in it. That's Tammy Thompson, of me, not Tammy, rather, of me, myself, and DIY in it. That's our other Tammy, Miss Tammy Thompson. She has a collaboration that is once a month where we refresh our entryway tables. So I participated in that. So you may have seen this entryway table. But anyway, I added these pillows to the front, added a nice fresh runner. Before that, I just had, it's glass, so I just didn't have a runner or anything on there. I had a lot of family pictures here, and I just decided to clear them away and put them in other places in the house for now. This is a little DIY arrangement here with some Easter egg picks and dollar store flowers. I added a mirror, a tray, and a few glitter Easter eggs around that. And these little candle holders that you may have seen before in another video. And I guess what's new over here that you may not have seen is these buffet lamps. I picked them up on sale at Ross before Ross closed due to the coronavirus. At least it's shut down in my area. Now, this mirror up here was already here. I didn't change that. But what I did is add these little things on the side. Now, these were brown. And when I spray painted the mirror for this refresh, I decided to give them a coat of paint as well. And it came out really nice. I wish I had done this a long time ago. I think they look really good with the mirror. They're the perfect accent. I'll step back so that you can see it. And there's a whole view of my entryway table. Just really happy with how that came out. It's a lot less cluttered than what I had there before. And I really think that's what spring's all about. Yeah, you bring in some spring elements, but it's also a good time to get rid of clutter that you may have had. So anyway, guys, I don't have a huge living room, but this is what I've got. And I thank you so much for watching. Again, please make sure you go over and give Miss Tammy some love. Hit that notifications bell. Make sure, please, that you hit this video with a like. And then if you have a comment, I welcome all of your comments. I hope you'll share the video. And if you haven't subscribed, do that for me and hit that notifications button. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a fantastic day.